How to add payment methods in WordPress. Welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add payment methods in WordPress for your e-commerce site. Whether you're using WooCommerce or another plugin, it's essential to offer multiple payment options to your customers. So let's get started. First, if you haven't already installed the WooCommerce plugin, go to your WordPress dashboard and click on plugins, then add new and search for WooCommerce and install it. Activate the plugin and this will give you the tools to manage payments. Next, navigate to WooCommerce in the left sidebar and click on Settings. Here, you'll find several tabs. Click on the Payments tab to view your payment options. You'll see a list of available payment methods like PayPal, Stripe, and bank transfer. To enable a payment method, simply toggle the switch to enable. For example, if you choose PayPal, click on Setup to enter your PayPal email and configure additional settings. Each payment method may have its own configuration settings, so make sure to fill in the necessary details like API keys for Stripe or your account information for other services. Once you've added all your payment methods, click on Save Changes at the bottom. And that's it, you've successfully added payment methods to your WordPress site. Try to test them out and see if they work. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more WordPress tips. Happy selling, good luck, and thanks for watching.